Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing one crisp icon image, stored in photos or files. This supplies the new visual. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Add the scripting action, Open App, and pick the app you want to replace. Make sure to give the shortcut an exact name so your home screen label is clear. This is quick setup work that lets you control which icon launches which app, and it avoids rewriting the app itself. Next, you assign the custom image to the shortcut so it appears as an app icon. Tap the shortcut's 3 dots, use Add to Home Screen, then tap the icon thumbnail and choose Photo or File, pick the prepared image. Resize visually if needed. Make sure the name matches what you want on the home screen. Tap Add and the new icon joins your home screen. This creates a launcher that looks like the original app but runs the shortcut to open the app itself. To finish, tidy your home screen. Move the new icons where you want them and remove duplicates by removing the original from home screen while keeping it in App Library. Once organized, you'll have a clean look. If an icon briefly shows shortcuts before opening, that's expected behavior. Still, make sure Shortcuts has required permissions and try deleting and re-adding the shortcut if it misbehaves. Back up your custom images so you can recreate icons quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.